Using a dictionary.
A dictionary is a reference book that lists words in alphabetical order.
It gives meaning and other details of the listed words. Each listed word is called an entry word. Ricky has put up an informative chart of the entry word handful from a dictionary. Look, read and understand the details about the entry word. Entry word. Here, handful is the entry word.
It is on page 220 of the dictionary.
The dot is used to separate the syllables. Part of speech. It tells what part of speech the entry word is. Pronunciation.
It tells how to pronounce the entry word.
Definition. It explains the meaning of the entry word. Some entry words have more than one meaning. In such cases, the definitions are numbered. Example sentence. This is used to make the meaning clearer. Guide words. The first and last words on the page also appear at the top of the page as guide words. It is easy to tell which words will appear on that page by looking at the guide words.